VEON, currently traded at $4.03. You guys are right now between the 10 and the 20-day simple moving average right here with that spinning top. You guys see that $4 in the 10-day simple moving average rather is at $4.01, and the 20-day is at 403, and the 30-day is at 406. Everything's starting to come together here. You see the simple day moving averages coming together, as well as the upper and lower Bollinger Bands. The lower Bollinger Band starting to spin up, and the upper Bollinger Band has gone flat, which is a good sign. It means the volatility is starting to slow and starting to become more stabilized. Right now, you guys just dropped down a little bit at 402. We're going to be watching for that to hold. Again, there's gaps here, but you know, with these stocks that are a little bit higher than pennies that we look at, the gaps don't really play too much of a game as much as they do in the lower traded stocks. So that being said, what we're going to be watching for with VEON, I would personally watch for a break of the $4.06. If you get a break of that $4.06, that would turn this one bullish. And then your next stop would be $4.14 right now. That's what we're going to be watching for. So remember that as time goes forward here over the next few days, this 30-day simple moving average would probably creep down to about $4.05, maybe $4.04. Okay, because you see this line coming down. That's usually what happens here. If I can draw that out. So that's going to start continue to come down, and then you're going to have the 10-day and then the 20-day, and then you guys get into that eagle nose that I talk about, my own little technical analysis term. And then once you guys get between that, that's going to dictate which way this goes. So that is what we're going to be watching for here. Watch for the volume start picking up and push you through that $4.06. That's going to be what I'm going to be watching for the next few days. My personal opinion right now, I would want to see $4.01 hold. If that doesn't hold, this thing is not going to turn bullish yet, and more than likely going to trend back down to $3.91. So we're going to definitely watch for the buying to pick up, push you through 406. And again, this is the first time taking a look at this one, which is great. We was always like looking at new stocks. I'm going to hand this off to Joe, and hopefully he can fill you guys in a little bit about this one.
All right, so with this one right here, I'm going to go right to this, the latest. It's a 6K that was received on April 3rd. I'll pull that up. And it's in regards to, let's see, VEON Ltd, a leading global provider of telecommunications and digital services headquartered in Amsterdam and serving over 235 million customers. Announced on April 3rd the listing and trading of shares of VEON on Euronext Amsterdam to start on tomorrow. It says, well, tomorrow, which was yesterday. So on April 4th, they started trading on Euronext Amsterdam. All right, so John Yves Charla, Chief Executive Officer of VEON, said, listing in Amsterdam is a major milestone in our transformation as we build a global technology company with a compelling propositions to both customers and investors. Trading on the Euronext Amsterdam will give us a stronger access to European investors and the opportunity for inclusion in key indices. So second listing and start of trading, VEON, formerly known as Vimpelcom, first listed on the New York Stock Exchange in 1996 and now trades on NASDAQ Global Select Market since 2013. The listing on Euronext Amsterdam provides VEON with the opportunity to broaden its access to Eurozone capital markets, raise its profile and visibility among European-based investors, potential index inclusion, and increase in its liquidity. The Euronext Amsterdam is a logical choice to list, given that VEON's headquarters has been based in the Netherlands since 2010, and the company now employs a workforce of over 500 staff in the Dutch capital, comprising a mix of digital, technology, engineering, legal, marketing, and policy and communications talent. No new shares are issued in connection with the dual listing. VEON will continue to trade on NASDAQ Global Select Market. The market capitalization currently amounts to over $7 billion. The Dutch Authority for the Financial Markets approved VEON's prospectus for admission of its entire ordinary share capital to be listed and traded on Euronext Amsterdam. So a copy of the prospectus has been published on the VEON corporate website, which is www.veon.com in the investor relations section. Let's see. So it says shares of VEON are expected to start trading in Amsterdam, which was yesterday under the ticker symbol VEON. let's see, let me go right down to this. So the company's intentions to change its name to VEON was announced at Mobile World Congress on February 27th, 2017, as part of the company's repositioning from a mobile telecom operator to a global tech player. VEON intends to continue to build its local brands, strong awareness, and focused on maintaining its strong market positions. VEON is the new name of the company and a new personal internet platform that integrates powerful data analytics and artificial intelligence with a fresh take on messaging capabilities, enabling users and communities to connect by voice, text, picture, and video through a beautiful design interface. So that's basically what they do right there as well. So it's definitely something to look into. If you have an opinion or you want to continue doing more due diligence on VEON, just go right over to that VEON board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time in sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that VEON message board on Investors Hangout.
All right, there we go. Thank you, Joe. 402, like I said, $4.02. Watch for 401 to hold 10-day simple moving average. If not, it could drop back down to $3.91. We'll need to break $4.06. 30-day simple moving average to turn bullish. Resistance at $4.06, 414, and 425. Support at 401 and 391, as I mentioned. A really good job, you guys, bringing this one to us over here on YouTube. I really do appreciate it. It's a really nice one. I like the way that it's set up right now. Over the long term, look at this one. I mean, coming off of, obviously had a run up here, came back down, run up here, close to the same exact highs at $4.50. It's pulled down. It pulled back down to the lower levels back here. That's why I'm saying right here is going to be that really, really, really important move, guys. Really, really important move to get through that $4.06. If you guys break that $4.06, please bring this back to us and let us know. The last note that I wanted to add is if you guys break the 414, which is going to be that second line of a resistance level that I put on there, if you guys break that, in my personal opinion, $4.50 will come quick. The reason being is there's not much holding you guys back from here, and you can see that here. It's just a wide open gap from here. So you guys break that, boom, you guys will bounce up there pretty quick, in my personal opinion. VEON, if this is your first time watching, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We would appreciate it very much. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us as well, let us know over at investorshangout.com/live.